I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have site owner or list admin rights so the template process works. Next, open the source list settings and choose Save List as Template. Include content only if you need items copied too. Give the template a clear name and file name so you can find it later. Once done, the template lands in the list template gallery. Make sure it finished processing before moving on, because creating a new list from an incomplete template will fail. Once the template is available, create the new list from Site Contents right arrow new right arrow from your organization or directly from the list template gallery. After the list exists, inspect all column types. Choice, lookup, person/group, and managed metadata often need attention. Because lookups reference other lists, you may need to remap or recreate them in the target site. Make configuration changes now. Reorder columns, set default values, and update content types so the list behaves like the original before you populate it. Finish by restoring views, custom forms, and any workflows or Power Automate flows. Make sure versioning and item-level permissions match the original. Add a handful of test items and verify attachments, managed metadata, and lookup values display correctly so nothing surprises users. If something fails, stop and troubleshoot. Common issues are broken lookup references or missing site columns. Resolve them by re-establishing the source list, uploading the template to the correct gallery, or recreating the problematic lookup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.